Unveiling the Legacy of Robert Hooke. A comprehensive exploration. In the vast realm of scientific history, one name that stands out prominently is Robert Hooke. As we delve into the intricacies of his contributions, this article aims to provide an in-depth understanding of his life, achievements, and lasting impact on the scientific community. Early life and education. Born on July 18, 1635, on the Isle of Wight, Robert Hooke exhibited an early fascination with the natural world. His thirst for knowledge led him to attend Westminster School before securing a position at Christ Church, Oxford. Hooke's formative years at Oxford laid the foundation for his future endeavours, nurturing his intellectual curiosity and passion for scientific inquiry. Hooke's multifaceted genius, mastering the microcosm. Hooke's groundbreaking work in microscopy revolutionized the scientific landscape. Using his meticulously crafted microscopes, he made significant strides in understanding the world at the microscopic level. His keen observations and detailed drawings unveiled a previously unseen universe, forever changing our perception of the natural world. Architectural marvels and scientific instruments beyond microscopy, Hooke's genius extended to architecture and the design of scientific instruments. His collaboration with Sir Christopher Wren on the reconstruction of London after the Great Fire showcased his architectural prowess. Simultaneously, his innovations in scientific instruments, including the creation of the compound microscope, underscored his versatility. Hooke's legacy in physics. Hooke's law, a fundamental principle. Among Hooke's enduring contributions is his formulation of Hooke's law, a fundamental principle in physics. This law, which describes the relationship between the force applied to a spring and its resulting displacement, remains a cornerstone in the study of elasticity. Its widespread applications range from engineering to understanding seismic activity. Grasping the concept of cells. In the realm of biology, Hooke's meticulous observations extended to plant cells. His seminal work, Micrographia, featured detailed illustrations of cork cells, marking the first recorded observation of cells in scientific history. This revelation laid the groundwork for the later development of cell theory. Hooke's impact on astronomy. In addition to his achievements in microscopy and physics, Hooke made significant contributions to astronomy. His early studies of celestial bodies and advancements in telescope technology facilitated a deeper understanding of the cosmos. Hooke's observations of Jupiter's rotation and his refinement of the telescope design left an indelible mark on the field of astronomy, overcoming challenges and controversies. Despite his numerous accomplishments, Hooke faced challenges and controversies during his lifetime. His disputes with contemporaries, most notably Sir Isaac Newton, have been well documented. However, these controversies should not overshadow the immense contributions that Hooke made to diverse scientific fields. Conclusion. In conclusion, Robert Hooke's legacy is an intricate tapestry woven with threads of innovation, curiosity, and intellectual prowess. His impact on microscopy, physics, and astronomy reverberates through centuries, shaping the very foundation of modern science. As we navigate the annals of history, Hooke's name stands as a testament to the boundless possibilities of human inquiry and discovery. To see such knowledge enhancement videos, like and subscribe to our channel